Hi everyone, I'm Paula Morgan. I'm your instructor for Dent 153. That's our Friday course, and I just wanted to give you a little bit more information about myself. I was actually a student here at San Jose City College in 2006. I began the dental assisting program. I sat in the same chairs you're sitting in now, or would be sitting in when we are in lab. And from that point, I worked as a dental assistant while continuing my education here at San Jose City College towards applying for dental hygiene school. And I became a dental hygienist in 2011 and have worked in a private dental office in Sunnyvale ever since. In 2014, I was contacted by one of our fellow instructors here at San Jose City, and she asked if I might be interested in teaching part-time. So I had never really considered teaching as part of my career path, but I decided to give it a go, and I absolutely have fallen in love with this aspect of dentistry. It's definitely different from practicing clinically with patients and working in the office, but I think both aspects of this are a really wonderful thing to be a part of. I take great pride in being here, working with you all towards becoming dental assistants, and I look forward to kind of guiding you on that same path that I went on. In my free time, I actually like to hike, enjoy the outdoors, vacation with family, and spend time with my daughter and our dogs and my husband. So I look forward to learning a lot more about you all, and thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you got to know a little bit more about me. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.